What is up guys, this is Soul from Soul Tech. Today I'm going to show you how small the image sensor inside a cell phone is. In case you don't know what an image sensor is, it's the rainbow reflecting box inside your camera. The bigger the sensor, the more light it absorbs and provides you a great looking photo. But when it's in a small form factor, how small can it be? This is my old smartphone. It has a 5 megapixel rear camera and a whopping 0.2 megapixel on the front. I'm gonna tear down both of them. Main camera. No OIS. Selfie camera. Super small. Glass from the lens. Front image sensor. Just take a look. This is very small. Size difference. Image sensor. Size difference 2. This is the photo from my Samsung Note 8. And the one from my Sony Nex 5. Clearly, Sony has natural blur that is significantly better. My friend once told me that his cell phone camera is better than his DSLRs. I made this video to prove him wrong. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool videos like this one. Thank you for watching. See you around.